In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix website's media files. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your site's images, videos, and other assets, and how to save them to your computer quickly and reliably. First, head into your Wix workspace and look to the left-hand sidebar. Find and click Media. This opens the Media Manager, which is the central library for everything you've uploaded or used on your site. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the editor or the site's media area, not a different settings panel. Once you're in the Media Manager, you'll see folders and categories that help keep things organized. Next, choose Site Files. This is important. Site Files is where Wix stores the assets that belong specifically to your website. Things like logos, hero images, gallery photos, background videos, PDFs, and other documents you've attached to pages. It's different from stock libraries or connected apps, so selecting Site Files ensures you're looking at the exact items you've uploaded for your site. Now, find the file you want to save. You can scroll, search by name, or use folders to narrow things down. Hover over the item to confirm it's the one you need, and feel free to open the preview if you want a closer look at image resolution or file details. When you're ready, right-click the file and choose Download. Your browser will begin downloading the original version of that media file. By default, it usually goes to your computer's Downloads folder, unless you've set a custom location in your browser settings. If you're working on a touch device that doesn't support right-click, look for the small menu icon, often 3 dots, on the file thumbnail, then select Download from there. Keep in mind that large images or long videos may take a moment to save, especially on slower connections. While it's downloading, avoid closing the tab or navigating away to prevent interruptions. That's all there is to it. Click Media on the left bar, open Site Files, then right-click the item and select Download. Repeat the process for any other assets you want to keep. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Downloaded files retain their original formats, so images remain JPEG, PNG, or SVG, and videos keep their uploaded type. Rename files on your computer to keep them organized, especially if you plan to edit and re-upload later. If you don't see the download option, double-check that you're in Site Files and that you have the right access to the project. Thanks for watching, and enjoy keeping your Wix media neatly backed up on your device.